rainforest jungles. The violence literally attacked the ranch. Pulled over by the weight of all the rain, I guess. Look at the jungle is taking over. The bittersweet is attacking, taking over the black bushes and it's you can barely make out the house. Oh no, it's getting Rick's truck because he played hooky and didn't go to work for 3 days. Look. Wow. Too much rain. Wow. It really is a jungle out here. It hasn't stopped raining. I mean, I don't think the garden is going to be able to take this. Oh, the flowers still look pretty over here. Oh, the chickens are getting wrinkly. Look at the bittersweet. I hope you're staying dry, girls. Yeah, they got two pretty dry houses. The garden is looking a little bit damp these days. Damp. But there are tomatoes. But I think what it was set up a pool. Because we set up a pool, I think. Kids were here on the 4th of July. Got a little deck here, a little swimming pool area, place to put your drinks while you're floating around. And nobody, well, they jumped in for a second a couple times. But who could blame them? Look, the hot tub was the only champion for that weekend.
That's real good though. Thought you went to go get your bathing suit and you were gonna join them.
Yeah. The horse corral is nothing but mud. Mud, 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 mud. Yeah. I think it could have probably been the pool that brought on the July rain epic event. The other thing that I got was rain barrels. Hi. Hi, handsome. How are you? There's my beautiful Pinto boy. Rocket Man. How are you, buddy? That's my handsome boy. So they've just been in the barn because it's just been pouring. Pouring. And cool compared to what you used to, baby. You handsome buddy. Big baby boy. Mommy's baby. Mommy's sweet boy. Yes, he loves to be petted. And he loves to be fed. And he loves to be babied. Huh. No. Wow, is it soggy around here? Well, what are you gonna do? Look at that. I really shouldn't have bought those. Dang. Like this thing is reaching out to touch you and capture you. These are rain barrels. I bought 2 55-gallon rain barrels to collect rain. And it hasn't stopped raining since.